हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अब तक आपको न्यूज़ मिल चुकी होगी कि काउंसिल ने काफ़ी सारे सब्जेक्ट के सिलेबस को रिड्यूस कर दिया है। तो इस वीडियो में मैं आने वाले 2022 के एग्जाम में कंप्यूटर साइंस के सिलेबस में क्या क्या चेंजेस हुए हैं उसको डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ। डिटेल आप जानने के लिए काउंसिल की वेबसाइट पे देख सकते हैं या मैंने उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है। इस वीडियो में मैं बहुत शॉर्ट में वो पॉइंट डिस्कस करने वाला हूं जिसकी कि कौन कौन से टॉपिक रहेंगे और कौन कौन से टॉपिक रिमूव हो गए। बहुत ज्यादा चेंज नहीं किया गया है, तो आइए देखते हैं क्या क्या चेंज हुए हैं। तो ये आप देख सकते हैं बच्चों, ये हमने आपके सामने काउंसिल का जो भी सिलेबस दिया हुआ है वो ओपन कर रखा है। इसमें सबसे पहले देखिए बूलियन अलजेब्रा टॉपिक दिया हुआ है। बूलियन अलजेब्रा टॉपिक में प्रोपोर्शनल लॉजिक है। इसमें वो सारा कुछ कवर होने वाला है जो आपने क्लास 11 में किया था। एंड गेट, और गेट, नॉट गेट इज देयर। बेसिक थ्योरम जो आप पढ़ते हैं जिसे हम बोलते हैं कि प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डुअलिटी, idempotency law, distributive law, all the laws, De Morgan's law, all the laws are there. So verification of law using truth table or algebraic method. Then you have simplification of the Boolean expression. Then you have SOP and POS. Here the SOP is given, POS is given, min term, max term, and cardinal form, canonical form, both min term and max term, SOP, POS, and reduction using K-map. That everything is there which is same as the last year thing. Then the computer hardware part, there is no change. All the elementary gates are there, NAND, NOR, exclusive OR. Then you have all these applications. And then you have NAND to NAND logic, NOR to NOR logic, and all this circuits, multiplexer, decoder, encoder, adder, this all is there. The only thing which is not there is chain rule. In the section B, you have the programming section. In the programming section, all this programming done in class 11th is there. So in the class 11th, you have learned array, string, condition checking, looping, recursion, that all is there. So that everything which you have learned in the class 11th is there. All the programming part, data representation chapter which you have learned in class 11th is not there. Then you have to emphasize on the various problems of recursion also. So recursion is very important topic for class 12. For the output question as well as in the programming part, it is also asked. Then where the changes will affect you, that area is inheritance. Earlier you were having inheritance program based on inheritance, as well as you were having the program based on interfaces also. But what is new here, it is given conceptual. So interface only concept will be asked. You won't get any question, any program on this. Then the next topic is data structure, which is new for class 12, where you will learn the concept of stacks and queues. In stacks and queues, in the queues there are various types of queues, but this time you are not going to have circular queue or double-ended queue. Alright. Then here you will have queues theory and the program, and one more important thing is infix to prefix and postfix notation also, that is normally asked in the compulsory part. Then the next topic which is going to be covered is binary tree. In the binary tree only you have to learn the theory part of it, and that is going to be very important because you are going to get 5 marks question on the theory of the binary tree only. So children, here I have made a noting of it, what is there and what is not there. So the first thing which is there is proportional logic. Chain rule is removed. In Boolean algebra we have all the rules. We have algebraic expressions, truth table, sum of product, product of sum, K-map. In the computer hardware, we have NAND to NAND logic, NOR to NOR logic, adder, encoder, decoder, multiplexer. In the programming, the revision of the programming which is done in class 11, which has condition checking, looping, array, single dimension, double dimension, both kind of arrays. Memory address calculation is also there, which is for the compulsory part. String handling. In the recursion, both theories and programs will be asked. And the inheritance, in the inheritance we have to learn its type, the program based on inheritance. In the inheritance topic we have the overriding topic also there, static and dynamic binding, and many more things are there. Then abstract class and interfaces. In interfaces it is written only concept will be asked. Then the next thing is data structures. In the data structure we have stacks and queues, theory and program both, infix and postfix. In the binary only theory will be asked. Then important point is what is removed. So this all was there earlier syllabus, which is not be taken up this year. Okay, the first thing in the propositional logic, chain rule is there, which will not be taken up. And then the program based on the passing object to the function was very difficult, which is not going to be there this time. Then the file handling, it was in class 11 syllabus, but in the class 12 syllabus which you have seen now, it was not seen to me. So that's why I am doubtful about it. So I think whenever there is a doubt, we need to revise it. And then important thing, linked list algorithm is not there. Linked list is removed, clearly removed. Computation and complexity is clearly removed. And I told you circular queue is not there, and the double-ended queue is not there. We can learn what is circular queue, we can learn what is double-ended queue, but the programming of these two is not there. So children, I have discussed everything which came to my mind. If there is any doubt to you, please ask me in the comment. I'll just find it out and give you the correct answer. Thank you for watching.